morning. So, driving Cody to go over to get Sky, and then we're taking him to school. We're going for a car ride. Been making videos a lot lately, but nothing that's worked out to post. Cody and I made meatloaf the other night. Made a whole video, but we didn't have a camera person, so there was a lot of wasted space as we put the phone down to cook. So that video is not going to go up. Went in the car with Randy yesterday and tried to make that video, but it was too dark. And kept talking about rubbing my bum, and so he was embarrassed. He's like, don't put that on YouTube. Your viewers are going to think I'm retarded. You say stuff.
I'm tired.
You're tired. On the dark, cloudy days and stuff, I get really tired. If it's cloudy or raining. Come on, Chi-Chi, go! Go get Skyler. Get you guys to school. Then I'm going back to bed.
Okay.
I don't have anything planned today, so I have the freedom to go back to bed and sleep. Yes.
Then you gotta do the chores.
Cody.
Do it.
Why?
Because you have to.
I know. I gotta do laundry and I gotta do the dishes. Ugh. Why is he not outside? Come on, Skig. Let's go.
Sure. Thanks, dude.
Keep it.
I need a speaker for my phone.
Where'd it go?
You dropped it. It's gone. You've lost it.
You remember
Can I have the other one then?
the little one?
Yeah.
The little ear ringy one?
It looked like a little speaker. It was good when we were listening to your M&M noise.
Noise.
Yeah.
Someone wants to go.
Yeah, I don't think it's the speaker. I think it's my MP3 player, because this does it too, if I put it up high enough.
That has good volume. It's nice and loud. I just need something to... What are you doing, kid?
She was confused on what you were doing.
Then he waddled away.
Is that boy or girl?
It's a boy.
That, like,
Is it?
a whole bunch of girls. How is it?
So hard to tell nowadays with a lot of kids. Not just kids, adults too. I mean, it doesn't matter. Just... Like all those people that are transgender or whatever, and they want to be the opposite. I don't care what they want to be, but I just want to know, what pronoun?
I guess.
What's the one that's like he and she and stuff? That's pronoun, right?
I think so.
Okay, well, I just want to know what word to use like that. Because you can't say they all the time when it's one person, because then it makes it sound like there's multiple people. They're one person, so do you use he or she or... You can't call them it, because then they get really offended. if somebody wants to, you know, somebody's a guy and refers to himself as female, okay, fine. So she did this or she did that. That's fine. I just can't constantly say that person did this and that person. You know, well, I guess you could, but it's too many words.
I like this. I like it.
What, the video?
Yeah.
You can wave to people, Sky, say hi. Oh, it's great. I can make videos while I drive. Although my very first video that I made, I went to the grocery store. Well, no, the second video I made. Went to the grocery store, and as I was parking, hit my car into something. It was
Oddball.
wham! And I was like, oh, I meant to do that. I didn't think I did much damage to the car. I thought I just scratched the bumper, and then I realized it was the other side that I hit. There's like the reflector, the plastic reflector, broke it, half of it off.
Wow.
I ran into one of those covered shopping cart things.
Mom,
What's that? Garbage. What people
focus
doing
on the
garbage?
road.
I can focus on the roads, guy. I can't see though. That big truck's in my way. Fucker. Green, we go. Come on, GG, go. There's gas in my car. It shouldn't sound like that. So I'm not driving you guys to school tomorrow because Willow will be there. Yeah, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. I'm not going to drive you to school.
Speaking of Wednesday, Wednesday's the only day this week that I'm free.
Wednesday?
Yeah, because Thursday I'm going to Dad's ball game, and then Friday I'm going to the link.
Okay. So you want to come over tomorrow night for dinner?
Yes, please.
Okay. Pizza?
Sure.
Did you get any of the meatloaf I made, or did Dad eat it all?
Never got a single one.
Huh?
Never got a single one. I didn't even know there was meat.
Are you serious? I sent like 10 of them over or something.
Though I see Cody eating lots of meatloaf at school.
Oh yeah, but that was from our house.
Yeah, I don't believe you. I just kidding. Trigger.
You didn't. Oh. I bet your dad ate all of it. I know Willow ate one. There was one that had cheese in it. I'm like, Willow, eat that one. It's got the cheese in it. It's the best.
I didn't even know there was any.
Oh, I'm sorry, Sky. We could make meatloaf. You want to make meatloaf muffins?
That sounds good.
We can do that tomorrow.
Wait, but didn't you already have it like yesterday?
Was it yesterday? No, it was the day before. Well, yeah. We ate it last night. But we made it the night before and then ate it last night.
How about
something with noodles and sauce? You like noodles and sauce? Want chicken or something?
Sure.
Yeah, I'll get chicken. Feeding Willow's the hardest. She's like, I'm like, Willow, what do you want? Macaroni. No, let's have something else. No, I want macaroni. Okay, we're having macaroni.
Or at least I say pizza all the time, so.
Yeah. I'd rather eat pizza than macaroni.
Okay.
Macaroni's not bad if you add like ground beef and shit like that to it. Mushrooms and salsa or something. Give it some flavor. no kids around, so I forgot.
There's no kids, so I'm allowed to speak.
Yes, exactly, guys. Exactly. That's my logic. Okay, say bye to my viewers.
Bye, viewers.